Hello guys, today kami ni Mama open the box.
Hi everyone, and ako si Cel. And for today's video, we will do an unboxing ng wheelchair ni Jet with my daughters. And please note, hindi ito flex but to inspire others like him with limited mobility, to dream and work hard to reach your goals sa life. Mahabang ipunan ito bago niya nakuha.
Meanwhile.
Well, after ng ilang days na excited na paghihintay, ay dumating na yung package niya. Good naman ang box and marked as fragile since automatic and the battery siya. Pero wait, there's more. Buti na lang at hindi naman nasira yung wheelchair. Pero sana lang careful pa rin sa pag-handle ng package kahit na wheelchair yung mark sa box, and since may fragile sign naman. Yun lang.
A few minutes later, a little longer than a few minutes later.
Now back to our video. Nag-ask kami ng help dito sa amin para ipasok yung box and after noon ay binuksan na namin. Maraming thank you sa inyo. Excited nga tumulong yung dalawang batang maliit ko sa pag-open ng box ng daddy nila. Very nice yung wheelchair and wala namang damage, mukha ding matibay at okay siya. Ito din yung pwede maskay sa eroplano pag nag-travel si Jet, since removable yung battery niya. Dito ako medyo nahirapan sa pag-assemble, since hindi ko makita saan ko ilalagay ito. Buti na lang magaling mag-guide yung pogi kong asawa, kung paano ko gagawin to. At sa wakas natapos din, pwede na siyang gumala, at mautusan ko, ha 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 ha. I hope this inspired others like us. Hanggang dito na lang, please don't forget to like, share, and follow us for more videos. Yun lang.